Welcome to Wellness Guru Tips, where we bring to light health matters that are often kept in the dark. Today we turn our focus to a topic that's more common than you might think: the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. This condition, known medically as benign prostatic hyperplasia, can affect many adult men, particularly as they age. It's important to recognize the signs early for effective management. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the signs and symptoms of this common condition. An enlarged prostate, medically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, is a common condition as men get older. It's important to note that this is not prostate cancer, and it does not increase your risk of having prostate cancer. So what exactly is an enlarged prostate? Well, the prostate is a small gland that produces the seminal fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. As men age, this gland can start to grow, sometimes even doubling or tripling in size. This growth is benign, meaning it's not cancerous, but it can put pressure on the urethra, which is the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. This pressure can cause a variety of urinary symptoms. Think of it like a garden hose. If you squeeze the hose, the water flow is impeded. Similarly, an enlarged prostate can impede the flow of urine. Now that we understand what an enlarged prostate is, let's move on to the symptoms. The symptoms of an enlarged prostate can greatly affect a man's quality of life. They can range from mild to severe and vary from person to person. One of the most common symptoms is frequent urination. This happens because the enlarged prostate puts pressure on the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body, causing a need to urinate more often. This can be particularly inconvenient during the day and may disrupt sleep at night. Another symptom is difficulty starting and stopping urination. Some men may find that they have to strain to start urinating or that they can't completely stop when they're done. This can lead to feelings of discomfort and unease. A weak urinary stream is also a common symptom. This means that the flow of urine is slower and less forceful than usual. It may take longer to empty the bladder, and there may be some dribbling at the end of urination. Lastly, nocturia, or waking up at night to urinate, is another symptom. This can be particularly disruptive to a good night's sleep, leaving you feeling tired and unrefreshed in the morning. These symptoms can be bothersome, but there are treatments available. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to see a doctor. That wraps up our discussion on the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. We've explored what an enlarged prostate is, how it can affect your health, and the signs that might suggest you or a loved one could be dealing with this condition. Remember, it's not just about frequent urination or discomfort. It can also be about changes in your urinary pattern or even a sudden inability to urinate. These symptoms are not always a cause for alarm, but they are definitely a signal to seek professional medical advice. Don't let embarrassment or fear of the unknown keep you from taking care of your health. The road to wellness is often paved with knowledge and action, so arm yourself with the information, be proactive, and consult a healthcare professional if you suspect an enlarged prostate. Thank you for tuning in to Wellness Guru Tips. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.